What's up, everybody? It's Kelsee Briana J here with a video on the Sephora Holiday Hooray Beauty Insider event. And Sephora does this event annually, and in this event you're able to save money off of your purchases. If you're a VIB Rouge and you spend $75, you get $25 off. If you're a VIB and you spend $75, you get $20 off. And if you're a Beauty Insider and you spend $75, you get $15 off. And this is an awesome deal. It's a perfect time to be able to pick up items that you are out of and you're needing to restock or just refresh your makeup arsenal or your skincare arsenal, or you could pick up gifts during this time because the holiday season is right around the corner. So in this video I want to share with you guys a few things that I purchased. I have a very small haul because, as you all know, I've been going ham with the purchases. Also in this video I want to give you 10 gift ideas if you're struggling to find something for a beauty lover, or if you just need fresh ideas. I am the go-to person in the family to pick out gifts. I'm an awesome gift giver. So I took my time and I went through Sephora's website and I picked out 10 things that I think any beauty lover would love to receive this holiday season. So this video is again in collaboration with TopCashBack. TopCashBack is a rebate website that allows you to save money on purchases that you were going to make anyways. So they have an app that you can download and you sign up, and right now they have a bomb deal going on. So if you have never signed up for TopCashBack after all these videos of me telling you all to do it, now is the time to do it. When you sign up for a new account on TopCashBack and you spend $50, which you're gonna do on Sephora, they are giving you $10. That means if you're a Rouge member, you're going to save $35. If you're a VIB member, you're going to save $30. And if you're a Beauty Insider, you're going to save $25 during this event. Plus, you're going to get a percentage back of the sale that you were going to make anyways. So you're getting paid to shop essentially. So it's super easy to sign up. All you need is an email address. You sign up on their website, you make a password. Once you're logged in onto TopCashBack, they have an app as well as a website. It redirects you to Sephora's website or whatever website you're shopping on. Today, of course, we're doing Sephora. And it redirects you to that website, and then you shop on Sephora's website like you normally do. But you're collecting money while you're shopping. It's amazing. So I will have my link down below where you can sign up on TopCashBack.com and shop during this event. So I'm going to share with you all the few things that I picked up. Like I said, I didn't get very much. So here's my little baby haul. The first thing that I grabbed is the Beauty Blender Defender. And this is a protective case for your sponges. So I needed this so bad because I just have found that I have been traveling with my makeup brushes and my sponges really janky like. I've thankfully upgraded that, but I still didn't have a way to store my sponges whenever I traveled. And I saw this little case and I was like, this is perfect, because what I've been doing is putting my sponges in a Ziploc bag. In a Ziploc bag when I travel, because you know sponges just are wet and then they can be dirty if you don't get a chance to just clean them, and I don't want to just throw it in my makeup bag and get it all on my makeup bag. So this is perfect. Plus you can put your sponges in here and let them dry. So this is made for beauty blenders, but I'm sure other sponges can fit in here. It's made of like a soft silicone material. I thought it was going to be hard, but I like that it's squishy. That way it's able to conform and fit in whatever case I put it in. So I really needed this. You all do not know how long I have wanted this lip balm. I've had this on my wish list no less than 3 years. I think probably 4. I wanted it for a long time. This is the Tatcha Camellia Gold Spun Lip Balm, and I have not purchased it until now. Tatcha with the presentation always is for the win. This lip balm has gold flecks throughout it, and I have wanted this for so long, and I finally have it. And it smells like Tatcha stuff. I hope that you all can see the gold flecks. My goodness. I don't even want to touch it yet because it's so pretty. I'm going to do a video coming up soon where I'm going to talk about lip care. And I'm so happy to have this for that video. I'm excited. So I bought this because Mel reminded me that I needed it. This is the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. And I had this probably like half a year ago, maybe a year ago, in a deluxe sample size, and I used it all up and I loved it, but I forgot I liked it. So I bought that. This thing is huge, right? Like, this is huge. I don't know when I'm gonna ever run out of this, because this is just for the eyes. This is supposed to provide intense moisture and boost elasticity, which will be really good because it's cold outside and my under eye is dry. I'm going to incorporate this back into my skincare routine. So I'm excited about that. And the last thing that I picked up in my haul, I think this is my shortest haul that I have ever posted on YouTube or in general. Like, I feel like this is the smallest amount of things that I've ever bought from Sephora. I know. Like, who am I? But this is the NARS Ignited Eyeshadow Palette. And I know that you all want me to open it, and I know you all want me to swatch it and play with it, but guess what? I may or may not have a video coming up on it tomorrow. You have to be subscribed just to figure it out. I don't know, it's a mystery. It might pop up or it might not, but make sure you subscribe. That way you know either way, right? So that is everything that I picked up during this event. But I picked out 10 things for beauty lovers. That way you all can get some ideas. If you're looking to buy gifts for someone, I think that these will be excellent choices. So the first thing that I picked out for a gift for a beauty lover is the Charlotte Tilbury Bar of Gold palette. And this is a highlighting palette. It has 3 different colors. The presentation of the palette is beautiful. I feel like the fact that the actual highlighters look like bars of gold just makes it look cool, and I think this will be a fun thing to receive as a gift. Next, Urban Decay has a Born to Run vault. So this includes the Born to Run palette, plus I see a plethora of other items. There's an eyeshadow primer, a mini eyeliner, a mini all-nighter setting spray, a lipstick, and a mini mascara. I think this is a cute gift. Plus it comes with a little bag, so this will be perfect for somebody that travels all the time. I like the palette. I will link my video where I reviewed the palette down below. But I think this palette will work for pretty much anybody that wears eyeshadow. Next is a gift that I have received and given several times. This is the perfume sampler. So in this box you get 11 different samples of perfumes. So what you're able to do is go through and sample all of the different fragrances and pick one that best matches your scent preferences. Then once you pick that fragrance, this set comes with a card where you're able to redeem it for a full size of that fragrance. This is the best deal, especially if you can get it for some type of money off, because it's $65, which is already cheaper than most perfumes that Sephora sells. So you're going to get a full-size fragrance, and then you're able to get some money off of it during this event. And then when you sign up with TopCashBack, then you're able to save money and get money back from there too. You might just want to get this for yourself. I'm just saying. Next, we have the Laura Mercier Custom Setting Matte and Glow Translucent Loose Setting Powder Duo. So in this duo, it has little minis of the setting powder and the setting glow powder by Laura Mercier. You all know I love both of those powders, but one of my holy grail powders is the translucent powder. I've worn that powder for I don't know how many years, but I think that this looks cute. The container in the box, it already is really nicely wrapped. So if you're not good with gift wrapping, this is already in a nice box, so all you have to do is put it in a bag. Plus this comes with a puff, and I just think it's cute for a beauty lover. And they can try both of the powders at the same time. You can't beat that. So this is something that I personally love. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Pro Facial Steamer, and it is so perfect when you want to have a spa night at the house. So you fill it up with water. You can use distilled water, or like me, I use bottled water. And what it does is it creates a steam, and you can just relax, and it opens up your pores, and it just really feels like you're at a spa. It takes like relaxation night to another level because it's something that most people don't have at the house. So I think that this is the perfect gift for a beauty lover, or even more so a skincare lover. Next, we have the Stila Liquid Eyeshadow Vault and All Eyes on You. So this has a mix of Stila's shimmer liquid eyeshadows as well as their glitter liquid eyeshadows, which are different. The glitter ones have glitter and the shimmer ones don't, but they both are such beautiful formulas. You get 12 different colors in this set. This is a $288 value. I use my Stila eye products a lot, and I think that this is really pretty because it has a beautiful array of products, and it just looks fun. It just makes you want to play, and it just is a good gift. Like, I would love to get that. I think that that's so pretty. Next, I don't know a lot of people who don't like candles. There are some people out there. But if you know a candle lover, this is so nice to get them. This is the Nest 10th Anniversary Discovery Set. It has 10 different mini-sized candles in there. And if you all have never tried a Nest candle, do yourself a favor and get one. They have so many different fragrances. They have something for all the different lovers out there. Whether you like a clean scent, a floral scent, a grassy scent, like there's something for you out there. But this one is the Discovery Set, so you're able to try them all. And then they brought back scents that they had discontinued, and it's just a nice presentation. You're able to put different candles in different rooms. This is like the gift that keeps on giving. Next, this is for somebody that you really like. Okay, so this is a lash vanity. So it comes in a really nice lash case where you can store your lashes, plus it's lit. It's literally lit. I know, I feel like I've said that like 2 or 3 times on my channel now, but I feel like it keeps coming up and being applied to a lot of different situations. But this is literally lit. So it's $270. But Okay, I know. It comes with 10 velour silk lashes, which are already expensive on their own, a lash applicator, a lash glue, plus the case. Obviously, the lashes are not going to last forever, but it's 10 pairs and you can reuse nice quality lashes over and over and over if you take care of them. But that case is what they're going to keep, and they're going to store their lashes in there. I don't know. I feel like I need to have that in my life because I don't have anywhere to put my lashes and they're a mess. So that looks really nice to me. So next I recommend the NARS Audacious Lipstick Keepsake Set. And in this set is 3 full-size NARS lipsticks. I think that this looks really cute because NARS is a sleek brand anyways. Again, you don't have to wrap this. You can just put it in a bag and it'll look like you spent more time picking it out than you really did. And last but certainly not least, you can get whoever, whenever, for whatever, a Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette. It doesn't matter which one you get. They're all beautiful, and whoever receives the gift will be so impressed with the packaging, the palette, and the eyeshadows. Like, that is the perfect gift to get somebody that's a beauty lover, especially if they love eyeshadows. I love a Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette. I feel like you can't go wrong with any of the color schemes. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. That's everything that I picked up during this event. Plus, that's everything that I recommend for you to pick up for a beauty lover. Don't forget, if you have not already, to sign up on TopCashBack's website. You need to do it and you need to get on it, especially while you're making all these purchases during the holiday season. It's so many different retailers on their website. There's hundreds, if not thousands, of retailers on there. So make sure to check it out. The number one thing that I love and adore about TopCashBack is that they do not lower the percentage rates that they give back to customers whenever an event is going on. So I respect them and their integrity. So I will have my link down in my description box for you all to sign up. Let me know once you do it, and also let me know what's in your shopping cart. Let me know what you plan on getting during this event. This is like the last hooray before the end of the year, so I think that Sephora named this event perfectly. So if you haven't already, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will talk to you all in my very next video, which will be super soon. Smooches. Bye.